And this weekend's weather caused devastating flooding in Detroit. A state of emergency has been declared for Wayne County. The heavy rain caused flooding issues all over the metro Detroit area, leaving cars stranded in roadways and on highways. Nearly 6 inches of rain fell in 24 hours, and the city systems just couldn't keep up. Governor Whitmer was in the area to tour the damage today. He said state officials are doing what they can to get help to the homes and businesses impacted by the flooding.
We immediately activated the State Emergency Operations Center, which enabled us to work seamlessly with folks on the ground and coordinate our response. We also declared a state of emergency, ensuring that impacted areas could request resources, personnel, and equipment.
Officials are working to get pumping stations up and running to clear the standing water as more rain is forecast in that area this week.